We're here at Young's Auto Body and Restoration, and we got this guy who won't face the camera. This is Tom Young. He's the big boss. He's going to be working on the Project M3. So what have they done so far? Well, we got the front bumper off. I'm about to fall on my face, but here's what it looks like. Whoa, that doesn't look like an M3. So the project is underway. Alright, so we just removed the rear bumper to reveal the VIN numbers, and here's the condition of the rear. Doesn't look too bad.
We're gonna have a TV show if you don't help him out.
Not too bad. There's some rust spots here.
I'm gonna help.
See, this mechanic sucks. He's not even helping me out here.
Oh, right there. Yeah.
Alright, let's go over here.
Pay for it.
Let's go over here, see what's on the other side.
More right there.
Oh, we got some serious, looks like some serious cancer there, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Sure does.
nothing that can't be fixed.
No.
And we got the other VIN number right there. So far, original body panels, that's good. Okay. We haven't gotten too far here. This side looks okay. Still, we got some rust though.
It's like surface rust.
Surface can be probably blown away, I guess, right? Yeah. Anything further?
Got a little bit right there.
Yep. Yeah, that one looks bad. That's in the fender.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's what we're seeing so far. So here we are back at Young's Auto Body. See what we've done today. We had a misaligned window over here which has been realigned. Also, seats are gone. So we've had the seats taken out and everything in here is going to be cleaned up. We're going to be removing the carpeting, and once the carpeting is removed, we'll get a better look at what is going on the floor as far as rust is concerned. Other than that, looks like the rear door panels
Yeah, the picture of the window the way it fits first time.
straightened out.
Remember, all this was overlapped up here. Now that's,
Oh, that's right. The rubber was actually
all was
out of
overlapped.
whack.
Now it's just out
So
of shape
now-
a little bit right there. But
So
it'll
do we need to
fall
get
in.
a
It'll
new
fall
seal?
back in.
Do we need to get you think, a new seal for that?
No, it'll fall back in.
Okay. So it's coming along pretty good. Spots on the rust down here. We've taken that exhaust out also, putting a new exhaust in there. Slowly but surely it'll be coming along. Look at the inside. What's that?
I can feel what they did now that I'm feeling that.
Over on this side?
Yeah, right in there.
Right in there.
Happened. But if you look kind of right here in this area, you'll see where they drill a hole. You can feel those kind of
Yeah.
through them.
Yeah, I see that. But other than that, I don't think it looks that
I
bad.
don't either.
It's actually pretty decent shape.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Be interested to see what the floor shows.
Me too. And I've started taking out the interior and all up in there to pull back the carpet and see.
And then just keep track of whatever parts you need
Right.
so I can order those. Let's see here. That's real cool. The original VIN tag there. Probably gonna
It's
take
not
that.
original.
Huh?
The rust is not original.
The rust did not come OEM factory apparently. Another VIN tag. Look at the other side here. What's that?
I told Robert if he wanted to see me on his phone, just go to everybodylovestom.com.
There you go.